Hey guys, this video goes over installing Linux. So what is Linux? Linux is basically a kernel. Okay, so what is a kernel? It is a computer program that helps you to interact with the hardware. It is one of the first programs that gets loaded on when you start up your system. The brain behind the family of Linux is Linus Torvalds. Salute and kudos to this person. So, before we get into the installation part, I recommend you visit destrotest.net that gives you the flavors of all the OS without installation, which is really cool because you can test it before you hate it. Okay, so let's dive into the installation now. There are many ways to go about installing Linux, but the best and the easiest way is to either download VirtualBox or VMware. Visit the VirtualBox website and click on the downloads link. You will have to choose the files depending upon your system, either Windows or Mac. Once you're done with this, click on the default options for the installation. After that, you will have to download the Ubuntu ISO file. Visit the Ubuntu downloads link given in the description below and download the ISO file. Now click on your VirtualBox application and click on the new icon and type in the name of the system. Can be Ubuntu, Parrot, Kali, etc. depending upon the distro that you're choosing. Choose the version of the OS, can be either 32 or 64-bit depending on your system. So now you will have to fix the memory size, that is the amount of RAM you want to allocate for this system. Don't go with the default, do increase the RAM size. For the hard disk, choose the virtual hard disk option and file type as VDI. For storage, you can choose dynamic allocation. For file location and size, just keep the size above 8 MB or more. We have still not linked our ISO file. For this, you'll have to click on Settings on your VirtualBox application and then click on Storage. Choose Controller IDE and choose the path where you have stored your ISO file. You're almost done. Now, click on the Start icon on your VirtualBox application. Now choose the Install Ubuntu option. After this, you will be prompted with this message. Here you need to select the Erase Disk and install Ubuntu. You don't need to worry, it won't erase your device memory. Go with the default for all other settings. So, finally, yay! You're done. All set to go. Thank you for watching till the end. Please do like, share and subscribe.